Well, continuing coverage tonight on a civil lawsuit hearing for a Northwest Arkansas psychiatrist. Dr. Brian Hyatt is accused by hundreds of former patients, alleging they were falsely imprisoned by him. He's also accused of Medicaid fraud. This, what you're looking at, is security video from Northwest Medical Center that investigators say helps prove that fraud. Video that simply shows him walking past rooms of patients he claimed he treated. And thanks for joining us here at 6 o'clock. I'm Doug Warner.
And I'm Sonia Hill. We are learning the number of alleged victims continues to grow from the original 5 dozen claimants to well over 200. KNWA's Kylie Neal was in the court at Washington County Courthouse this morning. So Kylie, you noticed the doctor was not in the courtroom today.
Yeah, that's right. He wasn't, Sonia. I spent more than 2 hours this morning breaking down the Hyatt case. I sat in the courtroom today and got to speak with William Van Wy, who was a patient. He tells me he wants justice.
I feel that I was unjustly wronged, and I want to see that through.
William Van Wy was a previous patient at Northwest Medical. He appeared in court this morning to see what the next step is for the case.
We were listening for the judge's decision on how they're going to try the cases going forward, if they're going to group them or not.
Van Wy is one of 214 patients that are trying to have their day in the courtroom. Van Wy's representation, Mr. Bryant Crooks, appeared before Judge Martin of Washington County Wednesday morning to present a proposal for the trial management plan.
We are having a hearing today with the court about the trial management process and how we're going to try these 214, what we believe will ultimately be 300 different cases.
Bryant says that his purpose Wednesday morning was to see what Judge Martin thought was an adequate plan, getting justice for the 214 plaintiffs.
Talked with the judge about the best way to do that and what he thought the most effective way was to get justice in a reasonable time.
The plaintiff's proposal was to give each of their clients their day in court.
And we're asking the court to allow clients to have consolidated trials so that we can offer a mechanism to give them a reasonable chance to have their case heard and have justice done.
Although the plaintiffs had that proposal, so did the Northwest Medical and Hyatt representation. However, the plaintiffs don't agree with the defendant's proposal.
We think the defendant's individual bellwether plan is designed to benefit the defendants and to deny our clients their day in court.
I reached out to Dr. Hyatt's attorney to hear their proposal. They told me they have no comment. As for Van Wy,
the goal for me is to try this case in whatever form the judge decides is fair, and as quickly as possible so that we have a just and fair trial.
Crooks says that they are hoping that they can reach a decision fairly quickly so that they can take care of the more than 214 cases. Reporting live in Fayetteville, Kylie Neal, KNWA, Northwest Arkansas News.